Hey guys, so welcome back, and today I want to show you how you can create a Canva account. So of course, that's the Canva website. Come straight and click on sign up for free. Say, or you can either choose to continue with Google or do what that stuff. And I think it's one of the best options. Click your account that's logged into the browser that you're using. Then this is AI driven, and boom, this is already an account of Canva. We have created an account of Canva in less than 1 minute. So actually, in less than 30 seconds, we have created an account of Canva. What do you want to use it Canva for? I am a student, yeah. High school? No, I'm at university by the way. Let's click continue. What's your TMO? You can skip all this stuff. Boom. Congratulations. You have an account ready for Canva. So guys, when you have an account, I think it's time to create a thumbnail. Let's create our thumbnail, a YouTube thumbnail. Click here on create a design. Click here on search for YouTube what YouTube. Want a YouTube thumbnail? Yes, that's it. To open up another tab where to give you a lot of options where to choose from. Remember, Canva has vast many things. It has many things that you can really enjoy. It has many templates. So right now we are going to create a thumbnail for our video that we made in the last episode, which I was with you here. So now let's make a thumbnail quick and secure. Skip the tour. No. So our thumbnail should be about what? Let's check the video. How to create a StreamYard account. So let's check one of these easy templates that we can choose from. Let's choose this, and now we can really customize it. We can put here how to create a StreamYard. You can add here to create how to create a StreamYard account. No, how to create free StreamYard account. StreamYard account. We can later make this more. Yes, that's it. You see, this person here has what we call a Canva word. So this an admin, or this picture was made with Canva. So obviously we have made our first thumbnail. That's how everything is done on Canva. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please WhatsApp me on that number, email me, or comment in the comment section below. I'll be ready to help you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next episode.